Hi there, and welcome to the How to MyApps YouTube channel. I'm excited to be here with you today, even though I'm not a real human. That's right, I'm an AI avatar, created with state-of-the-art AI tools to help guide you through this video. You might be wondering how I came to be. Well, my image was created using MidJourney, an AI technology that specializes in creating realistic 3D avatars. And the script for this video was written by none other than ChatGPT, a cutting-edge language model trained to generate natural-sounding text. But that's not all. The voice you're hearing right now was generated by ElevenLabs, a leading provider of synthetic voice technology. And the video itself was brought to life with the help of DID, an AI-powered video editing platform. So what can you expect from this video? Well, we're going to show you step-by-step how to create your own version of this video using AI tools, just like the ones that brought me to life. It's going to be a fun and interactive experience, and I'm excited to see what you come up with. Whether you're a seasoned AI pro or a curious beginner, there's something for everyone in this video. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on our journey into the world of AI video creation. Thanks for joining me, and let's have some fun.
So let's recreate the whole process. First we need an image. So for this we will going to use the MidJourney. If you don't have an account already, just click on join in the beta. So it will take you to the Discord server. I have already joined the Discord server, so I am not going to do this step, but you will have to do it if you don't have an account. So once you are in the Discord server, so simply find one of the newbie channel. So let's say I click on this one now. In order to do so, these are different images that people are generating right now. In order to generate an image, you need a prompt. MidJourney have a special syntax for planned prompt. So it is a /imagine right, and then you can simply provide the prompt. So I'm going to be using a prompt that I found on Reddit. I will actually provide a link to this actual post. So here is a prompt: a medium shot of a white woman wearing a t-shirt captured with a Nikon D850. So basically we describe what we want the image to look like. In terms of the camera, a type of use with different parameters, and then the lighting condition are here, and then the different aspect ratio. So let's run this. It is going to take a 30 seconds, so we have to wait for it. So MidJourney has generated for potential images. So let me actually explain what's going on here. So these V1, V2, V3 are basically showing the images number, like U1, U2, U3, U4, and then you can pick one of them. Let's say that variation 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can actually choose one of them, and it will generate 4 more, like base of that. But now let's say we want to use one of them, so simply upscale it. So upscaling is basically make it bigger, right? So let's say if you want to use the second one, for example, if you want to use the second one, okay, so what I have to do, I have to click on the U2. So it seems to be done upscaling the image. So let's simply save the image. Save image. Awesome. Now so let's move to the second step. So next step is go to ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to create a script for this video, so it came up with the script. All you have to do is simply copy the script, and we will go to ElevenLabs to use it. So here, copy. So we will use ElevenLabs to actually create a narration. ElevenLabs, you don't really have to sign up to actually test it, but usually the audio you can generate, it is pretty small, so go ahead, sign up if you want longer audios. Okay, so all I did was simply copy the text over here in the ElevenLabs, and select the richer right. And you can change a lot of setting here, but I will try to make it as a default. And that's it. Just simply click on generate.
Hi there, and welcome to the How to MyApps YouTube channel. I'm excited to be here with you today, even though I'm not a real human. That's right. I'm an AI avatar, created with state-of-the-art AI tools to help guide you through this video. You might be wondering how I came.
So it has finished generating the audio, so let's simply download it. Okay, so here, all right, we are done. So we are done with our audio section. Now let's move to the DID for creating our video. So creating a video, we have to use the DID platform. So you can either simply click on a free trial, or you can make your own account, actually create a video, right? So I'm going to create a video, and then download. I will use my own avatar here. You can also use some pre-built avatar here, but I just simply want to upload my one, the one we created using MidJourney. So the next step is to upload an audio. This is the one which we created a while ago, so it will just take some time in uploading to the DID server. So let me pause the video here.
Hi there, and welcome to the How to MyApps YouTube channel. I'm excited to be here with you today, even though I'm not a real human. That's right. I'm an AI avatar, created with state-of-the-art AI tools to help.
So it looks like everything is okay. So let's ask to generate the video. So we can click on generate video. We can see some credits, like we have 20 credits left, like total 20 credit, and for this video it will utilize 5 credit. So let's click on generate, and let me pause the video because it will take some time. Okay, so now the video generation is complete. Let me play it.
Hi there, and welcome to the How to MyApps YouTube channel. I'm excited to be here with you today, even though I'm not a real human. That's
You can actually simply download the video if you want to. I will download it later and upload it to the YouTube. But you can see that they were able to animate the face using the voice. I thought it still looked like robotic, but I think that's a pretty good as a free tool to use. So that's always nice. I hope you like the video. If you want to watch something similar, please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching.